Alrighty, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're in doing hardwood floors, wide plank. I've already been over this section over here with 36 with the drum sander over there, and we've done a little bit of scraping on the edges, and I've got 60 grit underneath there. We've been over twice with 36 drum sander on this. Quite a few uneven places where it's not even hitting the finish there, so we'll probably go over it at least one more time. And we've got a little section that we haven't done, so we started off with this, once there, twice over here. So been doing hardwood floors. Don with Olmec Reflections, 513-817-1700, olmecreflections.com, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. Check us out, Olmec Reflections. Give us a call.